Right, I just thought I'd show you the above ground features that are left on my ROC post. This is the entranceway. That is one of those big metal gate barriers that come down with a weight on the back. And there's actually this is the entrance to my ROC post. There's a very large counterweighted barrier gate there. It's actually an original army one. And at some time there's actually been some brick weave paving here. This is all that's left of the orbit. Well, this pile here anyway. No idea when it was knocked down. Yeah, and this is the old hatch. I'll give it a nice paint of black hammerite today. Two big padlocks. I've used my particular counter for a bit of a sunroof. Because I've installed an extractor fan down there in the entranceway to the original ducting, so I sawed these bolts off and I just keep it locked and you get a nice breeze. Got all my cabling going in through there. I plug my generator in round the corner and just chuck the extension lever around there when I'm not using it. What do you think to my aerial? That is a big motherfucker. Oh, one thing I want some help with. I have never seen this on a post before. It's one of those water stopcocks. So you open it. That ain't a water stopcock. That's a stainless steel eye bolt. If anyone knows what it's for, please let me know. Yeah, this was obviously a master post because there's the old dome, and inside it's still got the rubber pipe from the pump up VHF aerial, but that's about it.